Understanding HDMI cable length limits.
Hello, video viewers. Today, we'll be delving into a topic that many of you have been asking about: the maximum distance that an HDMI cable can be used to connect a laptop and a monitor. This question can be quite vital, especially when you're planning your home or office setup.
What is an HDMI cable?
HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. It's a type of cable that transmits high-definition video and audio signals from one device, like your laptop, to another device, such as a monitor or television. HDMI cables are critical for high-quality digital audio and video transfer, but there are limitations that need to be considered.
What's the maximum length of an HDMI cable?
The typical length of a standard HDMI cable is often between 1 to 2 meters, 3 to 6 feet. However, HDMI cables can come in lengths up to 15 meters, 50 feet. But here's the important part: as the cable gets longer, the signal quality can degrade. This could lead to degraded video and audio quality or even complete signal loss.
How can you extend the HDMI signal?
For instances where you need to cover a distance greater than the standard HDMI cable length, there are a couple of solutions. 1. HDMI repeaters or extenders. These devices help to maintain the signal strength over a greater distance by amplifying the signal or using a different transmission medium, like Ethernet cables. 2. Fiber optic HDMI cables. These cables use light to transmit signals and can cover much greater distances, up to 100 meters, 330 feet, without signal degradation. Note that these cables can be more expensive than standard HDMI cables. So, there you have it. While an HDMI cable can typically reach lengths up to 15 meters, 50 feet, the signal strength can degrade as the length increases. To maintain the quality of the signal over a longer distance, you can use HDMI repeaters or extenders, or invest in a fiber optic HDMI cable. We hope this video has been helpful to you in understanding the maximum distance of an HDMI cable. Until next time, happy viewing!